Today I'm going to give you a breakdown of all the Orly treatments. This is Bonder. This is everyone's favorite #1 best-selling base coat, and I can't live without it. This is Nail Defense. It can be used as a base coat or alone, and it's for splitting and peeling nails. This is Top to Bottom, and it's a 2-in-1 base coat and top coat. Here we have Polish Shield. It's a high shine top coat that contains UV filters to prevent nail color from fading. This is Glosser. It's a super high shine top coat, and it's perfect for nail art or any really vibrant color. This is Second Dry, and it's a quick drying top coat. This is Won't Chip, and it's a protective top coat that prevents chipping, obviously. This is Matte Top, and it's a top coat with a matte finish. This is In a Snap, and it's a quick drying color protection top coat with UV filters to prevent nail color from fading. This is Flash Dry, and it speeds up dry time and prevents smudges. This is Spritz Dry, and it protects your mani and pedi. It contains vitamin E, sesame oil, and avocado oil to moisturize and condition. This is Nail Armor. It's a strengthener that smooths the appearance of ridges. This is Nailtrition, which is a 14-day treatment to promote healthy nail growth, and it's great for nails that have been damaged from improper removal of gel or acrylics. This is Tough Cookie. It's a strengthener that slows down keratin breakdown in dry and brittle nails. This is Fungus MD. It's a maximum strength antifungal serum. These are Argan Oil Cuticle Drops, and they hydrate and soften cuticles with a rich blend of argan oil, jojoba oil, and vitamin E. This is Argan Oil Hand Cream. It's an Ultra Luxe hydrating cream that contains argan oil, jojoba oil, and shea butter for really intense hydration, and vitamin E to protect against free radicals. This is Cutique, and it gently and effectively removes dead tissue, leaving cuticles soft and pliable. It also removes nail stains, leaving nails whiter. And finally, we have Orly BB creams, which are basically makeup for your nails. I'm wearing them today.